god, my chair is twisting. Hello you guys, my name is Stella and welcome to my channel. Today I have a pretty little thing haul for you. This baby took a while to arrive and I took a while to review it. So let's lose no more time and let's get this started. So it's the first time that I ordered from Pretty Little Thing, and the packaging, like literally, see that blue smudge here? They like people in Greece, I don't know why they do this, but they don't care about the packaging. They just wrote my name on that with permanent marker. I thought that could just like, you know, like wipe it off. Well, yeah, whatever. It just ruined the packaging. I want a picture of that. Can't take it though. Anyways, so this is the packaging. It's the first time I ordered from it. I live in Greece, so I think they shipped it from their store in UK, probably. So let me show you what I got. It's not like too many things, but I feel like they're gonna be good. Okay. Let's dig in. So let me remember what I got. I got 3 body sheets and some jewelry. So first of all, we have this body sheet. I'm gonna list everything down below so that you guys can go and order them if you like them. First I got, jeez, that's loud. Oh, okay. First I got this bodysuit. They're all off shoulder and they look really pretty on the bottles. Let's see if they look pretty on me too. It's quiet. Huh. You have to wear this with a high-waisted pair of jeans, so good thing I wore those. It's really pretty. It's looking really soft, really good quality. Yeah, I'll wear that and you can tell me your opinion. It has silicone on the back so that it doesn't slide, you know? That's really good. It's really good. I really love this design. So next thing I got is another, I think this is not a bodysuit, this is probably a crop top. It looks really good. Oh boy. This is kind of like a night thing, probably like an evening coffee / drinks night out. Probably, yeah, this is a crop top. Oh my god, I'm really amazed from the materials. They look so, like, not cheap, you know what I mean? It's really pretty. This would also be amazing with some high heels on and some jeans. This is actually my favorite style. Jeans, a fancy top on top, and like some high heels, and you're good to go, girl. So yeah, let's try this one on. See, I just want to be able to climb without a fall, to get out of this maze and run. Please strike me thunder, let me get closer. This is stacked on the inside of the packaging. Oh, they have the, yeah, okay. They have all the receipts and stuff like that in it. Okay. So, last piece of clothing that I got is this like zebra kind of pattern. Let me see. This is also crop top. Oh my god, I thought I got everything in freaking bodysuits, but I didn't. I got 2 crop tops. So wow, I'm really into this bell, kind of like boho style sleeves. They go off shoulder and then they just adjust a little bit here on the arm and like on the wrist, and they usually look very flattering. So let's see.
I'm just one man amongst thousands. In this world, I'll allow them shout. They'll do fine without me. The chemicals in my head don't work as yours, 'cause every piece of rock is a little.
So the last thing that I got is some jewelry. This is looking really pretty in the photo. Really not amazed by the packaging of this. It looks really cheap, but the design of the jewelry looks good, so we'll stick to that. Good. Oh, I think it's wrong. Probably. I think it's wrong. It looks like this. This would be nice with a deep V neckline or something like this, or probably with something super tight on the neck, like a turtleneck or something like that. This would look really nice. We're gonna test those and we're gonna see. And then I got this nice ankle chain. Anklet? I think it's called anklet when it's like for your ankle. Which is saying bad bitch. Nah, it's not just bitch. But it's really, really pretty looking, really bougie, expensive. So why not treat our feet? And I also have a toe ring that goes like so well with this. So this is a win. And let's see that one too.
This makes love and right. Please strike me thunder. Let me get closer to them.
So there you have it, guys. This is my pretty little haul. I got a little amount of things, but I'm really gonna order from them again because I'm really excited with the quality and the fit of the things. And if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it's a good place here, you know? You can feel positive, you can feel all the energy just floating, and yeah. Join the channel and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.
So I've come to the conclusion I'm just one man